I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your Stripe account can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. Here is a simple guide to help you out. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by visiting the Stripe website and logging in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to fund. Step 2. Navigate to the Balance section. Once logged in, find the Balance section in the left-hand menu. This is where you can view your current balance and add funds. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the Balance section, look for the Add Funds button. Click on it to start the process of adding money to your account. Step 4. Choose your funding source. You'll be prompted to select a funding source, such as a bank account or credit card. Make sure the source you choose is verified and linked to your Stripe account. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to add and hit the Confirm button. Double check the amount before confirming, as transactions can take time to process. If you accidentally enter an incorrect amount, you might have to wait for the transaction to process before you can try again. I hope this guide helps you easily add funds to your Stripe account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.